Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you guys around Kuala Lumpur's bird park. This is not too far from the historical district, and this is a park where they have many different birds that you can look at, maybe even feed. So it's a really nice little quiet spot if you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of the big city. I'm going to show you guys. So it appears to be a somewhat rainy day here in Kuala Lumpur. Looks like outside they've got a place where you can buy drinks. It looks like we buy tickets over here. Oh wow, it looks like it costs 75 ringgit in order to enter the park. So that's a little bit under $20. I think it's like 18 US dollars, something like that, because it's a little bit more than 4 ringgit to $1. I think it's like 4.4 ringgit to $1. So it's a little bit expensive, but it's not too terribly expensive. Alright, so over here is a map of the park. So main entrance looks like it's about right here. So they've got a couple of different zones. Zones 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I can't tell what's over in this one. This one looks like it's got more roofs. I guess this must be where the eagles are. Looks like over in the green zone is where they've got the concession stands. They've got flamingos over there. It looks like the flamingo pond is over there. Over here they've got the hornbill. And if you want to look a little bit more west, looks like they've got like oriental birds and parrots. So this should be a really fun park. Oh, look at that, they've got a bird trash can. Oh, a couple of birds just flew right in front of me. Aw, look at those birds. So this is the Love Aviary. How nice. Oh, a peacock. Look at that, a nice pond with fish. Look what we got, a couple of peacocks. Oh, they got birds in there. It looks like, yeah, the white peafowl. Oh, and look at that, there's some birds up above. I'm not even sure what they are. Oh, wow, a whole tree full of birds right up above me. So it looks like one way is to the hornbills, the other is to the flamingos. I think I'll do flamingos first. Oh wow, so over here they have owls. And it looks like they are referred to as hunters. Oh wow, look at those owls. They hide in their little houses. Little man-made wooden houses. Here they're referred to as hunters. I guess because they're a bird that likes to go out and hunt at night. So it looks like they've got 6 different types of owls. If you guys want to see, those are the different owls they have here. And those are the actual owls. So it looks like they've got 6 different owls. Each of them a different kind of owl. Oh wow, look at that bird. Look at that, its eye is red. Bright red. It's a beautiful bird. Looks like there's more birds like that. Looks like over here is the ostrich. This is certainly not a bird that I'd want to get bitten by. They've got pretty powerful legs. It's like there's no way I'd want to be kicked by an ostrich. Wow, this guy's pretty tall. There's the flamingos. Got a beautiful little pond to roam around with a nice waterfall. Oh, look at that. It's the rhinoceros hornbill. And that's an impressive looking bird. Look at its beak. Oh, look at that. This is the southern cassowary. So it looks like it's right there. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful bird. So check this. This is a size comparison. So we've got the moa, which is extinct now. It was bigger than the ostrich. Who knows, what is that? Oh yeah, 3 meters tall. We've got the Gastornis, which is extinct. Flamingo is not extinct. Golden eagle, penguin, and you can see that's a human being compared to all those birds. So that should give you guys a good idea of the size comparison. Looks like over here you can feed ostriches. You can go in there and feed those ostriches. I think I'm not going to do that today. I don't know, I just don't feel like that would be a good idea right now. But those are some pretty magnificent looking creatures. Oh. They can run pretty fast.
Baiklah, jadi hari ini Mr. Clean akan buat aksi akrobatik. Kita buat burung. We have an audience today.
Over here is the waterfall aviary. Looks like they got different little trails you can walk down. Looks like over here it's going to go through a little cave. I don't know if you'd really call this a cave, but yeah, we get to go through a little something.